I guess I'm a little concerned about defendant's version and the responsibility. Don't want to
It's,
elaborate.
I mean, they're, even from the state's facts, Judge, I don't think that anyone has any proof that he left with the trailer because he did not leave with the trailer. And that's been my client's issue with the case from the beginning. But I've told him that he was there. He gave whoever left with the trailer
As a part.
access. And so he is an accomplice in this case. He is not the one that took the property, but
Yes, please. Oh, no, if it's in here, I can find it. I don't see. I only see an amended expunction. Not an, I mean, an amended for the non-disclosure, not an amended for the what's that last one? Ma'am? 1135.
I do show an amended order of expunction.
She's gonna look it up real quick and get it.
I'll give you this back because I think that's an old copy.
Like the ones.
So the amended expunction was filed on December the 2nd.
I'd have to look at the
Sorry.
cross numbers, not the Bob's.
There you go.
DCCUE.
1135. I can still do the prove up, Judge. I have it on I have my record and I can just do it.
Hold on, let me, make sure I've got, that I'm looking at the right thing.
Oh, it's 25, I'm sorry.
That needs to be in paperless. Sometimes it's better.
This one really got confusing too. They're not normally like this.
All right, so you're Brian Morrison?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Galmore is here with Mr. Morrison. Clause number 25 DCCV 1135 is filed. It's like a petition for an expunction and a petition for non-disclosure. I've received an amended petition dated December 2nd for both of those. And the Jefferson County has not filed any opposition. The state of Texas has, and I have their original answer here. Mr. Galmore.
Yes, Judge. The Department of Public Safety filed an objection. So I'm doing a quick prove up. Mr. Morrison, is it true that your name?
Hang on. Would you please raise your right hand?
yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Is it true that your name is Brian Allen Morris?
It's not Allison, it's Alan. Alan Morris. Yes, sir.
And your date of birth is 8/13 of 1986.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And was it true that sometime back in around 2007 that you were charged with the offense of drug paraphernalia?
Yes, sir.
And around 2009, you were charged with possession of marijuana.
Yes, sir.
And around 2003, you were charged with theft of property.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is it true that all three of those offenses, you were never actually convicted or received any type of probation on those cases?
No, sir, I did not.
I apologize. I said that incorrectly.
Here's the amended order.
Yeah, I was reading it wrong.
And I have a petition, amended petition, if that'll help you.
Yes, and this, I think this one I got right here as well. Yeah, I said that right. I said that. Okay, Judge, I believe that proves up that. And then, is it also true, Mr. Morrison, that you were charged with possession of marijuana?
Where you report?
Sorry. Is it also true that you were charged with theft of service around 2018?
Yes, sir.
And in that case, you did take a deal for deferred probation.
I did, yes.
And in that case, you successfully completed that probation?
Yes, sir.
And you had not been arrested or charged with any offenses during that probation or afterwards? have
No,
you?
sir, I'm not.
Okay. I believe that is sufficient, Your Honor, on
What's the time frame on?
5 years. Yeah, you're right. I should probably.
Is it
prove that
after
up.
the end of the probation? when-
It is. And so you started that probation in 2019. I don't have that order. you don't remember the year you finished your probation?
No, sir.
But you finished your probation before February of 2021, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, that would be 5 years. There's at least been 5 years since the completion of that. And if the court were like, I'll get the deferred order, I have it right here. I can get the dismissal of this deferred to make sure that it falls within that 5 year timeline.
What's the,
For Montel.
what's that clause number?
That cause number is
Probably in here somewhere, but
M 321 779, which is a misdemeanor.
Yeah, I think.
2 years after probation's over,
2 years.
2 years.
Okay, that makes more sense because you said
I said 5, but
5.
it says 5 on my petition for some reason, but it's 2.
Okay. Okay, all right. So with regard then to the petition for non-disclosure, it appears, well, I guess I'm looking at the answer before I say all that. I'm looking at the answer and
Their answer was before the amended filings.
okay,
So their answer is addressing a petition that we changed
okay,
partially based on their objections.
okay.
Yes.
And since you have filed the amended petition for non-disclosure and expunction, they have not responded with any other.
They have not responded.
Okay, then at this time, I'm going to grant both the non-disclosure and expunction as stated in the amended petitions for both of those, and I'll sign those amended orders.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you. Good luck to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Judge, I just want to let you know, thank you. Apply for a job next month. This is gonna be.
Good.
Thank
Good
you.
luck to you, sir. Whatever. Okay, who'd you talk to?
Oh, Dr. Joseph Ruiz.
Joseph Ruiz?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And Nathaniel. But I think Nathaniel, when it been Houston, I really think I can't look it up right now. I think they said Houston was referred to them. But I talked to a couple more,
Okay.
the Walker law firm,
Okay,
and
are you working?
yes, ma'am. But my only problem with working is that the jobs that I work, I'm gonna do electrical work, and I'm gonna go show them. Fortunately, I didn't get the last job I went to interview for,
Okay,
but travel, and travel freely, so I really can't work as
Okay.
much as I.
all right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Eli, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. And you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true, correct, and then I'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that information.
Good morning, Jim.
Good morning, you're Michael Garrett.
Yes.
Mr. Garrett, did you get someone hired?
Well, I got a couple of quotes. Corey Crenshaw, trying to tell me that he'll do it for 15,000. And Mr. Boyd, I caught her outside the courtroom last time. I said she said 6,000. Now Ryan Gertz never got back with me. And Bobo's Humphrey never got back with me.
Okay. So are you working?
I'm working for myself. Got BBA downtown. I service tires.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is give you one more reset. If working for yourself isn't making it, then you need to try to get something else on the side to make some more money to try to get someone hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If they haven't called you back, call some others. There's lots of others to talk to. Make sure you talk to 3 more if you haven't hired somebody by the time you come back and bring me that information, okay?
Okay.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset. Good morning. Are you Carisha Mays? And Miss Mays, did you get someone hired?
No, I didn't look up people.
Who'd you talk to? Not looked up people. Who'd you talk to?
James Macon,
Uh-huh.
Gertz Kelly, Williams Marcus, Rennick Law Firm. Lori, well, no, she told me to call her. And then Brevin Jackson.
Okay. And you talked to all of them and got
Mhm.
quotes. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna be able to get someone hired. So I have a job. I'm still waiting for daycare to accept my kid.
Okay.
I'm just in a situation right now where I'm just starting over, so I don't have anything.
Gotcha. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely and swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Kevin Calise, good morning, you're Kevin Calise.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Calise, did you get someone hired?
No, man. So last court date, I said that, I was on the chance of being hired, but, they ran the background check and I wasn't able, I didn't meet the qualifications.
Okay,
And-
because this showed up, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. And this last Tuesday, I just got a job,
You did? Where are you working?
Fury Craft,
Say it again?
Fury Craft. It's a restaurant.
Okay. What's your hourly rate?
They're giving me, well, like the pay,
Mhm.
or $12,
What?
$12.
$12 an hour. How many hours a week are you working?
Well, they're giving me some little overtime, so from 3 to 60.
I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Okay.
If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct,
Oh, yeah.
okay? Step in front of the clerk. Davion Mason, good morning, you're Davion Mason?
Yes.
And Mr. Mason, did you get someone hired? Okay, who'd you talk to?
James Lake.
I need you to speak up, please.
James Lakin, Dunn, Joseph Lindbergh, Alvin Samuel, and I wrote this man, Benjamin Jeffries.
Okay, and so are you working? Why not?
That's the job that had, he was at all. Like, he tried to shut the business down or something.
Okay,
Yeah.
so have you been trying to get another job?
Yes, ma'am.
What were you doing? What do you do?
Mechanic.
Okay, I'm gonna reset your case one more time. I'm sure you can find a job between now and then. Either get one of them hired or talk to at least 3 others and bring me that information, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. Wyatt Phillips. Good morning, sir. You're Wyatt Phillips.
Yes, it's me.
Mr. Phillips, did you get someone hired?
No, I talked to 3
Okay.
and I did accomplish a little bit. I got one that told me that he would be just listen to my filings and stuff I need, but he just can't physically come to court. He's having health issues.
Okay, who else did you talk to?
The other 2 were just way more money.
Who'd you talk to?
Reagan, Ronaldo.
Mhm.
She told me that it's way
I
out.
can't hear you.
It's way out of my prostate brain.
Okay,
And that was with all voluntary, and I talked to Eric Franklin, he told me 5,000 down, 500 every 2 weeks. And great checks. He said, will help me and charge me as a rent, he can't come do court, he's having health issues. So I don't. believe
are you
court
working?
tickets.
Are you working, Mr.
I have
Phillips?
social security,
Okay,
live at the crossing in Lucas,
you do what?
I live at the crossing
Okay.
in Lucas, University.
Okay. All right, then I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Phillips, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Crystal Robertson. My name, you're Crystal Robertson. Ms. Robertson, did you get someone hired?
I spoke to more than 9 people, but I had a consultation with Marcus Wilkerson, and he suggested that I finalize my payment and to get back in good standing with the credit union. That way I can, because I've been with them for over 20 years.
Well, I don't know what that means.
He
What does that have to do with?
suggested that I finalize my payment back to the institution credit union so that I can get back in good standing since I've been a member for over 20 years. Possibly that I could get my.
Does that have to do with the case?
Yes,
before-
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so, and that might work, but you need to definitely get an attorney.
Okay, well.
Because that's not gonna necessarily make the case go away,
Okay.
right?
No,
Who else did you talk to?
Marcus Wilkerson.
You are,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So I'm gonna reset your case one more time to give you some time to get him hired.
Okay.
Just bring the reset notice that you get today to him, if that all works out. If for some reason it doesn't work out with Mr. Wilkerson, then you need to talk to at least 3 others.
Okay.
Bring me those names and then we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
Okay, step in front of the clerk, please. Lance Charbino. Good morning, you're Lance Charbino?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am. I am supposed to meet up with Brandon Bibby on the 30th out of Houston.
Okay,
And he was wanting 12,000. But I also talked to James Mackin and Lane Walker. It's a mix between Brandon Bibby and Lane Walker that I want to get.
okay,
And I know Brandon, he's supposed to help me out with the payment plan.
all right. So I'm going to reset your case one more time. That should give you time to visit with the Houston attorney and figure out who you're going to hire and get them hired hopefully before that next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not going to work out with either of them, then you need to talk to at least 3 others and bring me those names, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk. Did you get those to the D? Good morning. Are you Jeremiah Douglas?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Douglas, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1115. You're charged with a 3rd-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle on July 27th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am. I talked to Mr. Kevin Lanes though. He gave me a quote. I'm just saving right now. I work at
Okay.
Lowe's Truck Stop.
Perfect. All right. So I'll reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to get him or anyone else hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If you get him or anyone hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to them and they'll tell you what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not going to work out for some reason with Mr. Lane, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 other attorneys. They all charge different amounts, different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice.
Morning.
Good morning, sir. You're Junius Vital. Mr. Vital, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am, they still been, I looked over one job I need to look at other lawyer check into, but they just said I had call Alan Clark.
So what I told you was that Mr. Parker had been appointed to represent you while you were in jail.
Yes, ma'am.
But then I told you to go talk to some others. You talked to some others.
Yes, ma'am. Eric Franklin told me like 10,000, another one due on payment plan, payment options.
Okay. Where are you on being able to get someone hired?
When I get a job, like, well, in and out of job, baby.
What do you do for a living?
Right now, I'm cutting yards and little labor work.
Okay. Have you tried to get some other jobs?
Friday Kroger's, Chick-fil-A as a driver.
Okay.
Like that.
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Vital, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer since you did what I asked you to do. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork. Good morning. Are you Aaron Roberts?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Roberts, don't wear sweatpants to court again.
Yes, ma'am.
That's not appropriate for felony court.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get a lawyer hired?
No, ma'am, I did talk to someone, and got it some 25 from there, and I did, started putting in applications for this, getting a second job, like you asked me to.
Okay.
And,
Who'd you talk to?
Durham and Jones, I think it's called.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. And,
Anybody else?
I talked to somebody else, but they was referenced through a family member, so I don't quite remember his name, but he told me around 1,500, I think.
Okay.
So I have to get his name for the whatever.
Well, that's what you were supposed to bring me today.
I'm so sorry. I was like, I don't even remember the one that was in my phone, which was
Right, but if you're coming to court this morning, knowing that I'm gonna ask you these questions, you should like get a piece of paper, write them down.
I remember them off the top of my head, when I called it, yes, but I put in, like I said, a couple applications on Indeed for you, and I have an interview. I had one Friday, but they had to be scheduled for today.
For what?
Stopping the cat.
Okay. And where are you working part-time now?
I
Are
told
you
you I
not?
do smaller than you can. And they told me that it wasn't good enough, so I had to find another job.
Right. And those are things that I don't necessarily shouldn't have to tell you. I mean, if you're not making enough money to pay for it, you gotta go get something else, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if somebody asks you to talk to 3 lawyers and bring those names,
Yes, ma'am.
or you could go to jail, that's probably pretty important to do.
Yes.
Remember and bring those names, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm resetting your case 2 weeks. I want you to bring me, if you get hired by Academy, bring me some documentation that you've been hired. If not, I want you to talk to 3 attorneys and bring me those names.
All right.
If you don't do that, then I will raise your bond, okay?
Yes,
So make sure you follow the rules. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.
Okay.
Michael Sarant, good morning.
Good morning.
You're Michael Sarant.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Sarant, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am, but I have talked to a couple of firms. I don't remember all the names, but I do remember one attorney that I'm working with the payment plans, which is Rob Kenworth.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so same thing. If you know you're coming to court and a judge says, talk to at least 3 lawyers, bring me those names, and if you don't, you could go to jail. Why wouldn't you talk to 3 lawyers and bring me those names?
I'm sorry.
I mean, it's not, I'm sorry, it's just follow the rules.
Understood.
You know, I mean, how old are you?
26 now.
Yeah, you're old enough to be able to follow the rules. 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to either get Mr. Kimler hired or talk to 3 lawyers, which means you got to get busy because they're all busy.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to talk to at least 3, get somebody hired, or bring me those names, or your bond will be raised in 2 weeks. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you Precious Eaglin?
Yes, no.
And are you sick today, Miss Eaglin?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Eaglin was previously in court in clause number 25 DCCR 0317, entered plea of guilty to assault on a peace officer. I've received that pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any additions or corrections?
Just a clarification, Judge. I think when Ms. Eaglin reported her version of events to the probation department, she more or less is, denying guilt in what appears to be actually referencing the aggravated assault. It's been her contention all along that she did not commit the offense of aggravated assault.
Right.
And thankfully, Mr. Nichols was willing to let us plead to one or the other, and so she is not a convicted felon, and we are asking the court to accept this because of the fact that she does not deny the plea of guilty that she entered for the assault on a peace officer.
So that's very important, Ms. Eaglin. And what Mr. Eckhart is saying, you only pled guilty to the assault on a peace officer, not the other case. But what you said was you weren't guilty in here, which gives me some concern. Is what he's saying correct, that you're taking responsibility for the assault on a peace officer, but not the other?
Yes, sure.
Okay, anything, Mr. Nichols?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. We find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 7 years. You're ordered to pay the $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, this is an excellent opportunity because you do not have a felony conviction on your record.
Yes.
And if you successfully complete the probation at the end, the case will be dismissed. You'll never have a felony conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty of the offense, and sentenced to prison anywhere in that range of punishment, which is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. You just need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation is going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork. All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate you.
And I'll sign that dismissal in clause number 25 DCCR 0318. Do you have that, Kim? Do you have anything? Fine. Again, all right, so you're David Biano. This is 25 DCCR 1212. Mr. Biano is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And what is the announcement? Announcement?
We are going to get some documents to the prosecutor and get it specified.
Okay. Any issues?
Got none that I'm aware of.
All right, so we'll just do a normal reset about 30 days or so. Make sure you stay in touch with Judge Walker. He'll let you know when you need to be back in court, okay? All right, thank you. Mr. Rojas, you have Terrence Currington. No, she sent it. You sent it? Yes. Terrence Currington.
I don't have any paper.
Oh, okay. All right, sir, are you Terrence Currington? This is clause number 25 DCCR 1114, and what is the announcement?
Judge, we received the video last week. Mr. Carrington wants to come in and look at it, if I can get a reset.
Okay, any issues?
No, Judge.
So, Mr. Currington, I'm going to reset your case one more time. Make sure you call and make an appointment. Go visit with Mr. Rojas. Y'all go over the video, any other evidence that he's received, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date. Okay, see you at the next court date. You're free to go. Good morning.
It's Luke's.
See Mr. Nichols. Did we lose Mr. Nichols? On Marquise Berry. Your bond.
Back there, Judge.
Okay. Are you, thank you, Mr. Smith. And, you're Marquise Berry. And this is 25 DCCR 0882. Ms. Berry's charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And what is the announcement?
Judge, Ms. Berry made an appointment with my office, and I think where there was a mix-up, we could you keep it with her. I'm just asking for recess so we can make another appointment.
Okay, any issue that you know of? Ms. Berry, I'm going to reset your case one more time. Make sure you call and make an appointment. Go visit with Mr. Rojas before that next court date, okay? All right, thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Smith, this is Alexander Thornton. Good morning, sir. Are you Alexander?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Thornton is charged with fraudulent use or possession of credit or debit cards. This is 24 DCCR 0323. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we actually have some progress in this case, is that we were trying to get him on a veteran's docket, if the court will recall, is that he did not qualify, is that talked with Mr. Smith this morning. We have a tentative agreement on the plea. He's got a case in Jasper that's new and unindicted. I need about a week to try to work that out. We can plead next week. That's possible.
Okay, any issues? All right, I'll reset. How does next show do 1 or 2 weeks? Does it matter? I mean, you can come in next week and play it. Let's do
Yeah,
two.
if I can get Jasper done, yes, ma'am. 2
I'm
weeks
gonna
or better.
reset it for 2 weeks for a plea, and so make sure if.
I'll take care of Jasper.
And if it's not, it's gonna be time to move this one anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Stay in touch with Mr. Barrington. I will see you back in 2 weeks for a plea.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning. I'm standing in for Sam.
Okay. Good morning. Are you Diamond Smith? And Ms. Smith was previously in court in cause number 24 DCCR 2056, entered a plea of guilty to the state judge felony offense of abandoning or endangering a child. I've received that pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review it?
We have. Ms. French has indicated to me that she has, Judge.
Are there any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place your probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $300 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, then this is an excellent opportunity because you don't have a felony conviction. And if you successfully complete the probation, at the end, the case will be dismissed. You'll never have a felony conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty of the offense, and then you could go to the state jail prison for anywhere between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. You just need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation's going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork.
Yes.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks.
I'd like to do that as well. Good morning, you're Christopher Street.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Street was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to the state jail felony offense of theft of property in 24 DCCR 2058. I've received that pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review it?
We have, Your Honor. We have no additions or corrections.
I've reviewed it, Your Honor. I'm not.
I guess I'm a little concerned about defendant's version and responsibility. Don't want to
It's,
elaborate.
I mean, they're, even from the state's facts, Judge, I don't think that anyone has any proof that he left with the trailer because he did not leave with the trailer. And that's been my client's issue with the case from the beginning. But I've told him that he was there. He gave whoever left with the trailer
As a part.
access. And so he is an accomplice in this case. He is not the one that took the property, but he did assist them with access. And because of that, under Texas law, that is enough in order to prove his guilt. That coupled with his history, I told him that I thought that if we went to trial, that he likely could have these issues resolved against him and not in his favor. And so with that, you know, we would ask that the court, you know, accept this and move forward. Whatever it's worth, if he could have come up with a full amount of restitution, the state was going to give us a much better result than what we got here. But unfortunately, money for him is just really tight. And so he's unable to come up with those funds. But the $3,000 will be paid today.
All right, so when's the last time you used them? It has. How long's a while?
I want to say 18, but I had some relapses since I got out. But it's been 6 months.
Let's do this. Before I go further, I'm gonna get a drug test done just based on that history, and then we'll see where we go from there. Have a seat in the jury box.
This courtroom session highlights the importance of accountability, preparation, and following legal procedures throughout criminal proceedings. The judge carefully reviewed multiple matters, including requests for expunction, non-disclosure, attorney representation, probation agreements, and sentencing decisions. In Brian Morrison's case, the court granted amended petitions after confirming eligibility and reviewing the lack of opposition to the updated filings. Throughout the hearing, the judge emphasized that defendants must take responsibility for their legal obligations, especially when seeking hired counsel and avoiding delays. Several defendants were given opportunities to find attorneys or apply for court-appointed representation, but the judge made clear that failure to follow instructions could result in consequences. The proceedings also demonstrated how plea agreements and deferred probation can provide opportunities for individuals to avoid felony convictions if they successfully complete court requirements. The broader lesson is that cooperation, honesty, and compliance with court orders can significantly impact legal outcomes.